What's going on, guys? It's 2026. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but today I'm back. It is almost springtime here, and you know what that means. Everybody's vehicles are dirty from the winter, including mine. This is a very simple, easy springtime cleanup. So very minimal supplies that you're required. I'll show you guys as I have listed on this table here. It's super simple. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, so as you guys can see here, I have everything laid out that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna go through a quick list. As you can see, I have 4 different types of brushes here. You don't need all 4 of these, you just need 1 of them. Well, 2 of them technically. As you guys can see here, I have all of the products that I'm gonna be using today in today's video. Starting off with the brushes down here, you don't need all 4 of these, but you for sure need 1 of them. This is just additional, just in case you wanna use it on any cloth. Not a required thing, but it does definitely help the process. Moving on, we have 4 different styles of microfiber towels and cloths. Again, you don't need all 4 of these. These are just 4 different styles that can be used. This is not I would say a recommended one. This is more for like your polishing. It's a very, very fine microfiber towel. The one I recommend is actually this Adams Detailing, or Adams Polishes Detailing microfiber one. It's a woven weaving one, so it actually does a lot. It helps with more scrubbing rather than just kind of wiping. And then moving on to the physical products themselves, as you can see, I have Adams Polishes all the way down the line, except for the very last one, which is the Kosh Chemie Green Star. Highly recommend this one. Again, you do not need all of these, but you have a glass cleaner here, you have an interior detailer here, carpet upholstery, total interior cleaner, and then you have your Green Star. For this video, I'm gonna be using, just to show you guys that it only takes technically 2 of these bottles, I'm gonna be using the interior cleaner from Adams Polishes and the carpet upholstery, just in case there's any stains on any of your, leathers or cloths in your vehicles. But let's jump into it. All right, guys, so as you can see here, the truck is not necessarily that dirty, but there is some just loose stuff from the winter. You can kind of see here, not necessarily, it's harder to see on camera than it is in person. And then obviously up top on the dash, I have not touched in quite some time, so there's some dust up there, as you can kind of see. Dust here, kind of on the steering wheel. I know my truck's not necessarily bad, but it's got some stuff. It's got a little bit of food residue. Gonna be doing a video on how to clean these and just with a cup of water, so stay tuned for that video. And then obviously you guys can see in here, cup holders are kind of dirty. Got a lot of loose stuff, crap, more papers over there. Little bit of fingerprints here, but again, you guys might look at this thing and be like, oh my gosh, this thing's not even dirty. But again, it's not necessarily to show you how dirty a vehicle is, but it's to show you how you can clean any type of vehicle in just a couple steps. All right, you guys, so for this process, I'm gonna be using just simply Adams Total Interior Cleaner, and then Adams microfiber towel, the woven one. Super simple, literally 2 products total that you can clean and just do a very simple single stage cleaning on your entire vehicle. This stuff is multi-purpose and it's really good for your harder plastics. Super, super good. But let's dive into it. As always, links to all the products that I'm using are gonna be downloaded in the description. So if you are looking to use the exact same thing I'm using, go to the description, you should find a link there. Again, guys, I highly recommend you get a brush to use. I recommend the Viking one from Car Care. You can pick these up at any Napa, O'Reilly. They sell them in a 3-pack with 3 different sizes. This is the biggest one they offer, and then it goes medium and small. Super cheap, super affordable, and then they're a hard tip brush. So it actually does, you can just kind of see their dust is kind of flying up already, but I'm not gonna use this because again, to show you that you can do it without the brush, but highly recommend those brushes. And just like that, guys, look at that. Just literally just a minute or 2 of just kind of wiping back and forth without even using a brush. I mean, look at how nice and clean that looks already. I mean, it was completely filthy. I can't really see because of the sun, there we go. It was so dirty, and now it's per near spotless. Again, literally no brushes, literally no time, just a rag and the product. And as you can see here, I mean, yeah, the towel is a little dirty. Put it in the sun here. It's a little dirty, but again, still can use it, still usable. And just like that, guys, look at how fresh and clean the center console, that leather is. Super, super easy. Got in, got that all cleaned up on the inside. There's a little speck right there, got it. Super easy, got all the change cleaned out. Come up here, got the screen all nice and wiped down. It's a little dark here, I'll try to turn it up for you guys. There you go, nice and clean again. Did the interior, did the dash. Remember how before there was all that fuzz and stuff, got all the fuzz wiped up, cleaned, super easy, super simple. And that's the end of the video, guys. That's basically the gist of it, just showing you that you can clean your entire vehicle with one of these and just this. Super easy, super fast. This is just a simple one-stage cleanup. You can go way deeper into it if you really want to. Vacuums, different products, all brushes, towels, all that stuff. But for people who just want to do the very minimal work to do it done, you can get it done with just this towel, just this product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any comments on different types of videos you want to see, let me know down below. I'll read them, get back to you guys. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.